this video, we will be seeing how to launch an Ubuntu VM. We have given the ISO file of Ubuntu 16.04 Ubuntu desktop as the image we have provided, and we have started it. It will give us two options whether to try Ubuntu or to install. We'll go with install Ubuntu. It will ask us to download updates or third-party softwares. We can, if we want to install it through the option, we can check the option. Otherwise, we can continue. It will ask us the installation type. We will, as it is a fresh VM, we will erase the disk and install Ubuntu. It will ask us for the swap space. If we are not sure, we can go back and change our installation type. Installation procedure will take few minutes to complete. We will be back when the installation will jump to the next procedure. As we can see, it asks us for our geolocation. We can select it and hit continue. It will ask us for the keyboard layout which we want. We will be selecting English US. Hit next. It will ask us the name which we want to give and the password. Make sure you type a good password, a strong password. Hit next. And the installation process will begin. When this installation process is complete, we can have our Ubuntu VM ready.